That's what we try to eliminate for the homeowner at Thermal King is window maintenance. There's nothing fun about, you know, caulking, puttying, painting, fixing, sealing, sanding, whatever. There's nothing fun about upkeep. There are so many more fun things to do with your time than maintain something. So one of the benefits Thermal King Windows has to offer is our windows are virtually maintenance free. There's not a whole lot of upkeep to them. They're a vinyl material, so they're not affected by the elements. They don't become stained or rot or discolor. Our windows don't warp because they're reinforced with molded fiberglass so that they don't misshape and that which can compromise how the window operates or shuts or seals properly. So you don't have to do anything to adjust for that. There's really not a lot that you have to do to them. The only thing that we recommend is that you clean them periodically, and our windows are the type of windows that tilt into the inside of the home for easy cleaning. So we make that as simple as we can too. And there's no storm windows or anything like that you have to remove. So it's all done from the safety and comfort from the inside of your home. So with our window, it's virtually maintenance free. And if you have any service issues, our warranty covers, anything except for vandalism and natural disaster. So if you have air infiltration or seal failure or something odd like that, that isn't your concern either. The hardest thing you have to do there is pick up a phone and call our service department. Not a lot of maintenance with the Thermal King window. With other windows, there's a lot of maintenance.